is Makeshate Sailike taking on Fei. This is a welterweight clash. The big boys are out. Makeshate Sailike taking on Fei. This is Fei coming to us with 2 wins. Both those wins via TKO. He comes out of Team Cherry Bomb, competing out of Shanghai, China. And his opponent, Makeshate Sailike, is 21 years old with 26 wins and 4 losses. Now, he is highly experienced, coming out of China, and he competes out of Chengdi International Boxing Club. You've got a Chinese tournament champion versus a Chinese Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu champion in the welterweight division. In the red gloves is Makeshate Sailike, and in the blue gloves is Fei Tao.
Judge, time, ready, go!
Fei looks to be much bigger. Are these guys in the same category?
They are. These are 2 welterweights. And since weight cutting is not allowed here at One Hero Series, nice little overhand right from Makeshate. Look how he's finding that home against that bigger opponent.
That's what
he's got to utilize that jab.
Yeah, throw those overhands. Fei looking really serious and focused here.
Makeshate Sailike has a lot of experience, though, coming into One Hero Series. A 30-match veteran. And let's see how he puts this, experience to his advantage, because, Fei looks to be gigantic in there.
I mean, Makeshate Sailike, it looks like he's a submission sort of guy. But Fei, has been doing Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu for the last 5 years. So I think it's going to be very difficult for Makeshate Sailike to submit Fei, because, of the amount of experience he does have.
You never know here at One Hero Series. We've been surprised all night long, and I would suggest that the surprises keep coming. I like the overhand right thrown by Makeshate Sailike. He steps in, closes that distance, touches Fei with that overhand right, and Fei seems to be happy with it. He's like, I'm in this. I like doing battle.
Well, he seems
how happy he looks.
But the thing is,
he was dropped by
massive knockout. That was amazing.
Out of nowhere, Makeshate Sailike catches Fei with a left hand, just touches him on the chin, and the giant falls. Welcome to One Hero Series. Makeshate Sailike, talk us through this.
Boom, look at that. A big overhand right, followed by a big left hook, puts Fei down on the mat. Big finish there. Massive finish for Makeshate Sailike. Wow. That really was something.
Winner by knockout, Makeshate Sailike. Welcome to One Hero Series via knockout. One Hero Series and One